Hey beautiful souls, Creole Natural here. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I tamed down all of my natural hair into this beautiful, bouncy, curly, high puff tutorial using products that were sent to me by Curls Dynasty. Starting off with the Give Me Slip Blast Hydration Conditioner, I'm going to apply a generous amount of this conditioner throughout my hair strands as a co-wash and then proceed to rinse that out. Once my hair has been rinsed out, I am going to go in with the Kalahari Smoothie leave-in. Before applying the leave-in, you'll want to separate your hair into sections. I have my hair separated into two. Usually I have it in 4 sections, but for this time around I separated it into 2 sections, and for each section I applied about 4 pumps of the leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to smooth that evenly throughout my hair strands from ends to root and proceed to detangle my hair.
You know you wanna fly, not talking trips. It's a bad boy thing they carry it, but she knows she want me, so she gon' chase. I know your daddy want you should stay away.
So before starting each individual section, I'm going to apply the vanilla cream custard just to define my curls and to give me some amazing shine, bounce, and softness. So once I've applied the cream custard, I'm going to detangle my hair once more and wrap my hair around the perm rod. If you would like to see the specific technique on how I apply my perm rods, I do have a perm rod set tutorial that I will leave the link in the description box, so do make sure to check that out. But back to this vanilla cream custard, y'all. The curl definition that I get while my hair is wet after applying this is absolutely amazing, and I just can't get enough of this cream custard. I think I might just try a wash and go with it. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. So after I've finished putting perm rod sets throughout my entire head, I have 67 perm rods all in total. I'm going to let my hair air dry overnight, and then I'll be back for the unwrapping process.
You know you wanna fly, not talking trips. It's a bad boy thing they carry it.
So it's the following day. I had to get my makeup on point, but now it's time for me to get my hair on point. And to do that, I am going to apply a generous amount of the, I'm going to apply a quarter size amount of the organic oil blend, and I'm going to just work that in throughout the curls, and this oil blend is going to help me separate each individual curl and to prevent frizz. For each individual curl, I'm going to separate it about 1 to 3 times. It just depends on the size of the curl, and then I'm going to move on to my favorite part of any video, which is fluffing my hair with my Afro pick to my desired volume. Besides making sure that all of your curls have fully dried, I would say, in my opinion, the way to achieve the best curly high puff would be the way that you fluff and pick out your hair. As you can see, I'm fluffing it towards the front of my face because I want most of the curls to lay towards the front of my face, and then I'm going to use my elastic scrunchie to kind of wrap my hair into the high puff ponytail, and then proceed to tame down my edges, and that completes the style, guys.
He's a bad boy, bad boy, bad boy. And Becky know he's a bad boy. Out of town is a bad boy, bad boy, bad boy. Melly is a bad boy. He's a bad boy, bad boy.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave me some love down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and as always, follow me on Instagram, Creole Natural. Thank you all for tuning in. I will see you all in the next one. Until the next time, peace and light.